What's the meaning of benefit? Benefit. Benefit.
Benefit. Benefit. The word benefit is often used to describe a positive outcome or advantage that a person or group receives from a particular action, situation, or policy. Benefits can take many forms, such as financial gain, improved health or well-being, increased knowledge or skills, greater social status, or enhanced opportunities for personal or professional growth. The concept of benefit is important in many areas of life, including business, politics, education, and social welfare. Understanding the benefits that different people or groups may derive from a given situation can be key to making informed decisions and creating policies that promote overall well-being.